In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where WhatsApp is not working on your Windows 11 computer. Now, whether the application's not opening or just not working in general, there's a bunch of different troubleshooting steps and I'm going to run you through these now. So the very first thing we need to do is head over to your start menu and just search for settings and bring up the settings window. From the left hand side, we need to come over to apps, inside of installed apps, and then you'll need to locate WhatsApp within this list of applications. Now you can either just scroll down the list or use the search feature at the top to find it. And once you've found WhatsApp from inside of here, we need to select these three horizontal dots and come into advanced options. Now this option will only be available for you if you have the Microsoft Store version of WhatsApp. If you downloaded WhatsApp via the web version, then you won't be able to come into advanced options and you'll need to skip this step and move on to the next one. So if you do have this page available for you, then what we need to do is just scroll down here and come into this reset section, and first thing we're going to do is just press repair over here, and this will just check through our files to make sure everything's all good and in order. And once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and also reset the app at the bottom here and just confirm by clicking reset. So whilst we're in the settings window, it's also a good idea to come down to Windows Update in the left here and then press this check for updates button just to ensure we are running the most recent version of Windows, and if there is any pending updates inside of here, then make sure to download those now. So once we're fully up to date inside of Windows, we can close out of this window. Now the next thing you can do is head over to your start menu and we're going to search for control panel, then just head over to the control panel window. From the top here, come over to view by and make sure this is set to category, then select network and internet, network and sharing center, and from the left hand side select change adapter settings. Now from this list, locate the network that you're currently connected to. Mine is this Wi-Fi adapter over here, so we're just going to right click on this and come into properties. From this list, we need to come down to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select that and come into properties, and down at the bottom here we're going to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically, and we're going to switch this to use the following DNS server addresses. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect to Google's free public DNS servers. So just doing this alone can often resolve this WhatsApp issue, and what you need to do in here is type in 8888 and 8844, and then we can just press OK to save these changes and we can close out of this window. Now you can try relaunching WhatsApp to see if that's fixed the issue. Now if you're still experiencing issues, the last thing that we can actually try is just coming back over to the start menu and searching for settings. Head over to the settings app once more. Then from the left hand side we need to come back over to apps, inside of installed apps, and we're just going to go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp here by selecting these three dots and clicking uninstall. Click on uninstall to confirm, and then to reinstall the application we're simply going to come to our start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Head over to the Microsoft Store app, and in the top here we're just going to search for WhatsApp and hit enter. Come over to this first search result here and click this, click on install, and you can try opening the application from here to see if that's now fixed your issue. Let me know in the comments if that did or didn't work, and if this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.